Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the iHave toothbrush holders for bathrooms. This 2 cups toothbrush holder wall-mounted with toothpaste dispenser is a game changer when it comes to bathroom organization. With its large storage capacity, including a tray, storage compartment, and drawer, this holder can accommodate not only toothbrushes and toothpaste, but also combs, razors, and other bathroom accessories. It's the perfect way to keep your bathroom countertop clean and clutter-free. But that's not all. This multifunctional holder also features an automatic toothpaste dispenser, making it easy to get just the right amount of toothpaste every time. Plus, the 2 magnetic mouthwash cups are designed to prevent dust and water from accumulating. Installation is a breeze, with no need for drilling or making holes in your wall. The patented non-marking adhesive strip ensures a secure bond, and there are even nails included for added stability on uneven or painted surfaces. Not only is this toothbrush holder durable and easy to install, it's also easy to use and maintain. With drainage holes at the bottom and the ability to disassemble for cleaning, it's a hassle-free solution for the whole family. So if you're ready to upgrade your bathroom organization, make sure to check out the iHave toothbrush holders for bathrooms. You can find the link to this product in the description below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more home organization tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching.